Ginger has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may also support digestion and help alleviate nausea. Its anti-inflammatory properties might contribute to overall health. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage. It's also known to have a mildly alkaline effect on the body, which some people believe can support healthy digestion. Drinking lemon water can help you stay hydrated and can be a refreshing addition to your diet. Ingredients: ginger, lemon juice. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.